10 reasons why people don't invest in the stock market. Hey everyone, this is James again, coming to you from sunny Sarasota, Florida, where it's sunny and warm all the time. Number one reasons why people don't invest in the stock market is, I don't know anything about stocks or the stock market. A stock or a share is just a piece of paper or partial ownership in a company. When you buy a stock, you actually own a piece of that company. The stock market is just a building or a set of buildings in which people, stockbrokers, that buy and sell stocks actually work. Now, their job is just to buy and resell shares of one company or another. They make sure there's always a place for you to trade your shares, so there's someone always buying and someone's always selling. Number two, I'm afraid I'll lose my money. Before you buy anything, you should keep in mind several key factors. Number one, why am I buying this stock in the first place? Number two, what is my profit target? Number three, what is the maximum loss I'm willing to take? Number four, what is the time frame for this move? Number five, what is my trend reversal plan? Now, let me elaborate a little bit on this first. Before you buy anything, you should always know the other four first. Okay, you should always know what profit you're looking for. Always have an exit plan, whether it's a profit, a loss, or a time frame. Now, what I mean by time frame, if you buy it today and you plan it and you think it's going to move 3 to 5%, how long are you going to give it to move that 3 to 5%? Are you going to give it a week, a month, a year? Figure out how long, because you're missing trading opportunities the longer you hold on to something. Now, number five, what is the trend reversal? The trend reversal is basically as the stock is moving in the direction that is called the trend. If it's going up, it's trending up. If it's going down, it's trending down. When it stops going in the direction and it goes the opposite direction, that's called a trend reversal. It's kind of like a train going uphill and all of a sudden it goes downhill. That's a trend reversal. Remember, you only lose money when you sell your stock for less than what you paid for it. A good plan should never result in a large loss. Very important. Always keep your losses tight, very small. Although no one wins them all, try to keep your losses to a bare minimum. Number three, reason why you don't invest in the stock market. I don't know. That's it. That's the answer. I don't know. Why don't you invest in the stock market? I don't know. Okay. Being ignorant of what's going on with your money is a huge pitfall. In your life, it's your money and it's up to you to do something with it. Number four, reason for not to invest in the stock market. It's a scam. Another form of ignorance or prejudice towards something you just don't understand. The stock market has been in business since 1602. That's 411 years. I can't think of very many companies that's been in business for 411 years. But the stock market is there. It will be there for a long time. Investors lend their money to companies, and then the companies repay that money with parts of the profits in forms of dividend checks and capital appreciation. I'm going to invest in IBM. They pay me back the money through part of their profits and part of the capital appreciation. And then when I sell the stock, I get my money back. It's a wonderful plan. Number five, I have someone else do this for me. As I stated before, no one has your best interest in mind when it comes to your money. When you give up control of your money, you take whatever it is they give you. Now, I want you to understand this. Don't forget. Someone else gets paid whether you make money or not. Let's just say someone else loses your money. You still have to pay them for doing that for you. Wasn't that nice of you? Number six, it's too hard or confusing. Now, this is not rocket scientist. If a company is making money and sharing their profits, that sounds like a good plan to me. Number 7, I don't have any money. Now, money touches everyone's hands at some point in their lives. Now, money makes life easier, and the lack of money makes life just a little bit more challenging. Even the smallest amount invested on a consistent basis, consistently, will add up over a lifetime. Number 8, all Wall Street people are crooks. There might be some truth to that, but not everyone is. That's just a misconception. Besides, Wall Street is just where the stock market is, not the company in which you're going to invest in. You are buying a piece of a profitable company, not a piece of Wall Street or the people that work on Wall Street. Number 9, I don't have time to do the research. Most Americans spend more time planning a weekend barbecue than they spend on their financial future. Now, this may sound harsh, but skip Jeopardy and skip The View. Plan for your future. It's coming whether you're ready for it or not. Number 10. 10th reason why people don't invest in the stock market. I don't want to. Whether you make plans for your future is up to you. It's coming whether you're ready for it or not. But don't kid yourself into thinking everything's going to be okay if you leave it up to someone else. Because if you don't make your own plans, someone will plan your life for you. And that someone doesn't have your best interest in mind. It's your life. Do it yourself. Take control. You'll be glad you did. This is James signing off from Sarasota, Florida, where it's warm and wonderful all the time. You have yourself a great day and happy trading.